Alright, we got a little bit of this, little bit of that, a little bit of this, little bit of that, oh, little bit of this, little bit of that, little bit of this, little bit of that. What's going on, everybody? Octavia here. So this video is primarily about the A minor pentatonic scale that I'm trying to learn up and down just to get my fingers loose and stuff. I'm just super excited about this guitar adventure just in general. It's been really fun. Don't forget to like this video, you guys, and also comment with 3 blue diamonds. That lets me know that you were here, that you were vibing. All right, let's get into it. Chords like this, right? That's kind of the standard way. I turn them counterclockwise. What I do is I go into Canva and I create my little diagram like this with colors and the numbers and all that different stuff. And I just learn the chords easier this way. I'm actually going to take his chords, anything that he gives me in practice, and turn it into this. And then eventually I'm going to make like a little digital booklet so that I can share that with other people. Let's see, A minor pentatonic. Starting on the 5th fret, first finger, this is A. I learned that from a guy. He said 5 is alive. So the 5th fret, pinky on 8, 5 again, 7 for the next string, 5, 7, 5, 7. So you got 3 5 7s in a row after this. 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. Then you do 5, 8 with your pinky. Last 2 strings are 5, 8. So, hey, 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8. So do. Thanks for watching the video. If you stayed all the way to the end, give this video a like and comment with 3 blue diamonds. That lets me know that you were vibing, that you were here with me. And I'd love to hear from you. I always love hearing from you guys. So until the next video, I'm out of this piece. I'm about to get back to some musical work while I'm able to. All right, have a good one. Bye. All right, we got a little bit of this, little bit of that, a little